Form 941, Employer Quarterly Federal Tax Return. Let's work on 941V, which is the voucher. So this section comes with an instruction up. So let's take a look at it. So if you are making a payment and you want to add the payment to your form, you'll fill up 491V, which we just saw. You'll complete it and you'll add your payment to it. So you can use a check or a money order. And so to avoid a penalty, make your payment with the form only if, and as we talked about it before, your line 12 tax there is less than $2,500 for this quarter and less than $2,500 for the prior quarter. You are a monthly scheduled depositor making a payment on a regular basis. And in this case, the amount of your payment may be $2,500 or more. And in this case, you can still make a deposit using the EFTPS to make EFT electronic fund transfer, or you can just include your payment along with your form as well. So otherwise, you must make deposit by electronic fund transfer, EFT. So now let's fill up this form. If we go down a little bit, you'll put your employer identification number here on, I think they are calling a box, right? Box 1, yes. And box 2, enter the amount of payment. So here, you'll enter the amount of payment, and in our case, it's $30.60. Tax period, that's the first quarter. Business name, individual name if sole proprietor. So our business name is going to be Liberman Consulting L.L.C. And then we'll put the address where the business is located. If the business is operated from home, then you just put your home address here, city, state, and zip code. And you will remove the top bar, and that's the voucher. And let's go up a little bit to read it here. So you can use money order or check, but you have to put United States Treasury where they will say payable to. You have to put United States Treasury there, and make sure on the check or money order you put your identification number, your employer identification number. You mention Form 941 on the check or money order, and you mention first quarter 2020 on the check or money order for the tax period. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 things you have to put on the check or money order, and you don't staple it. You just have the check, the Form 941V, and your Form 941. All those 3 things will be in the envelope. You don't attach anything. You don't staple anything. So you look at the 941V off of this sheet, and you'll have it in the envelope along with your form and with your payment. So if you are going to mail your payment, let's talk about that. You'll go to IRS instructions to Form 941, page 8, and you will use this column here. You will use this column here with payments. You locate the state where you live. Let's say Oregon, for instance. You will see that will just be in one area. So Oregon with Oregon with a payment, you will select Internal Revenue Services, P.O. Box 93-2100, Louisville, Kentucky, with that zip code. That's where you will mail your envelope to. So if you are making a deposit using EFTPS or EFW, which is electronic fund withdrawal, or debit card or credit card, and you are from Oregon, then you will send it to Ogden without a payment. That's where you will send your form. You won't fill out Form 941V. No, you are not going to fill up the voucher part. Just your Form 941, because you are already making a payment online. So you're not going to put payment in the envelope. So, and you live in Oregon, that's where your business is. You'll just use without a payment address here, which will be the Department of Treasury Internal Revenue Services, Ogden, Utah. So you'll use that address with that zip code, 84201-0005. That's the address you'll put on the envelope, and you'll make your Form 941 without a payment inside the envelope too. So you have to look, if you are putting a payment in the envelope, complete Form 941, complete Form 941V, complete your money order or check, and put it in the envelope and mail it to the address that corresponds to your state, and that is in the column of with payment. That's what you will use, with payment. So let's get back to our form, and we are pretty much done filling up our Form 941. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and owners of Nina Soap, and our business is Nina Soap. Our website is ninasoap.com. Our business is Liberman Consulting L.L.C. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.